Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate video marketing with Wistia, detailed guide step by step clearly. To automate video marketing with Wistia, start by logging into your Wistia account. Once you're in your dashboard, click on the Projects tab to organize your videos. Create a new project by clicking the New Project button. Give your project a descriptive name that reflects the content you'll be marketing. Next, upload your video content to the project by clicking the Upload button. After the upload is complete, customize the video settings to align with your branding. Consider setting up a custom thumbnail that captures the viewer's attention. Enable video captions for accessibility and to enhance viewer engagement. Now, navigate to the Integrations tab. Choose your preferred email marketing platform from the list. Follow the prompts to connect Wistia with your email service provider. After integration, create an email campaign featuring your Wistia video. Make sure to include engaging copy that encourages viewers to click and watch. Next, set up lead capture forms if you want to gather viewer information. Drag and drop a lead capture form onto the video. Customize the form fields to collect relevant information from your audience. Once your video and forms are set up, define your call to action. Decide whether you want viewers to sign up for a newsletter, download a resource, or take another action. Next, utilize Wistia's email collection feature to automatically gather leads. Configure the settings for your collection email to be sent out after a viewer interacts with your video. Now, set up projects to categorize multiple videos effectively. Consider creating a video series that can engage viewers over time. Utilize Wistia's analytics tools to track viewer behavior on your videos. Pay attention to metrics like play rate, engagement, and conversions. Analyze these metrics to optimize your video marketing strategy over time. Finally, schedule your video releases to maintain a consistent marketing schedule. This will keep your audience engaged and eager for new content. By following these steps, you can effectively automate your video marketing using Wistia. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.